Oh, hell yeah, boys, we are back with Hard Truck Apocalypse. Nisam ni redovno ušao u igru, već su spanovali jednog glorija. Nisam ni intro stigu da napravim. Ova igra je Extreme Bamboozle. Sad treba da odemo u Midgard, da kupimo veću prikolicu, jer onda ćemo moći da stavimo tier 2 weapon, jači i veći. Da pitamo Zevsa da li ima nešto da nam da. Can you believe it? Everything is okay. Previše zvuči dobro da bi bilo istinita. Sviđa mi se što je ova platforma za voz opstala. Evo ga Midgard. Honk, honk. Sad imamo vektor. Ajde sad uzmemo. To je excellent box. Evo ga. Tier 2 weapon. Nice. Druže, vidite ovo. Čoče sa kao kombajn izgledamo. Da im prednica koliko je. Još malo da sam skupio para. Ali dobro, skupit ćemo toliko para. Sad imamo jači weapon. This looks sick. I onda ovdje mogu da imam pušku. Da vidimo neke farbe druge. But I still like the green. Kolkhoz farmers are scared and refuse to harvest. Tamo da pušku isprobam. What the fuck, zašto neće da puca? Pucam sa desnim klikom. Pa da, zato što je tier 2 weapon, to su automatski stavili da se puca s desnim klikom, ali mislim da se to može izmeniti. Jeste, evo ga vektor, stavimo ga na keca. Jedino što smo sada spori, pošto nam je teška ova prikolica. Čoveče, pada kiša. Suddenly I feel like I'm in Great Britain. Sviđaju mi se ove 5 randomly placed bandera. Nemaju ni žicu ni ništa. To meni čini, deluje mi kao da se točkovi naopako vrte. Maybe I'm dumb, a mislim da je to u pitanju. Čekaj da provjerim među ovim kamenjem, slučajno nema nešto, kao imam neko sećanje da ovdje ima nešto. Aha, loše mi je sećanje, dobro. Evo smo u Jaru. Gde se ovdje svira? Where should I honk? Ovo je kao neki outskirts. Oh my god, mama me zove. Molim. Ništa. Skuvala si ili kuvaš? Dobro, evo. Pa sad skuvala sam i loćeš, pa sad moram. Da prvo prodamo scrap metal. Elder Bob, šta kaže Bob? Hunting season, može. Something terrible is happening around here. Šta te plaše? Demons spoiled our fields. We cannot harvest anymore. Znam šta je ovo. One night we saw devilish fires over the fields. Next morning we found the mark of the evil. I will go then examine these marks. Mislim da im je ovdje taj field. Evo ga.
Strange indeed. It looks like some kind of a print. No wonder people are scared. Who knows what evil tainted this field? Maybe the scientists from Midgard can help.
It's a fucking aliens. Ko bi drugi ostavljao crop circles. We are going to follow the A banderas. Oh my god, sad mi je jasno zašto se A bandera zove A bandera. It's actually skraćenica za Antonio Banderas. Ni na jednog enomija nisam naišao dok je bio hunting season, ništa nisam dobio. Ajoj, Hunter. Druže, nemojte mi to raditi. Igra je sad u fazonu. Imaš tier 2 weapon. Let's throw hunters. Oh my god. Well, what do you want to know? People saw lights in the sky and then some strange marks appeared on the fields. We'll send an expedition there and calm the people down. Dobio sam para. Koliko sam dobio? 80, hvala vam. Mogu kupiti jednu kiflu. Oh god, ovaj ima shotgun. This is scary, this is scary, this is scary, this is scary. Oh my god, umreću. Ovaj će mi izrešetati sa shotgunom. No. Neko da kine na mene, gotovo. Oh my god, kinuli su na mene. Uzet ćemo Storm. Or ćemo da prodam. I ovo ćemo čuvati. Druže, kako nikog nema kad mi treba novaca da ubijem. Where is everyone? I feel very lonely. Ajmo prvu peštu da vidimo. Mislim da i tamo imaju neki upgrade za kamion. Imaju za 8000 Rusty Thor. Ali speed mu je isti. Uzet ćemo ga za početak. Cause look at that. Iako će nam biti isti speed, imamo opet weapon. We are now double wielding damage. Storm ćemo staviti da nam je desni klik. Uzet ćemo ovaj torque. Whatever that means. Sad imamo dva oružja. Storm ne može da nam se okreće 360 stepeni, ne možemo da 360-ujemo, ali svejedno će da bude od jako velike pomoći. Ajmo sad u Asgard. Oh my god, 2 Hunter, are you kidding me? Oh fuck, oh frick, oh my lordi lord. Ali dobro je, Satmara me spasila. Ajmo u Asgard da se popravimo. Jako mi se sviđa izgled ovog Asgarda. Izgleda kao veliki scrapyard. Barman Pablo. What can I do for you? I heard there is a tunnel in the map that goes through the mountains. Absolutely. Won't you tell me where exactly it starts? Just like that, and you don't need any help or my money. Don't teach me how to manage my business, young man. To je nešto mutno. Oh my god. Pokupio sam, sad ću se vratiti da prodam i da sipam goriva. That was funny.
And how am I supposed to open these gates? The barman is a clever guy. If I return to him, he'll charge an exorbitant price for the key. Maybe there's another way.
Znači mogu ili da kupim ključ od njega, ili mogu da sačekam nekoga pa da ga roknem, a naravno da ćemo to uraditi, pošto sad nemam para. I like it when game gives you choices.
Someone is going out of the tunnel. I can kill him right away. Or is it better to follow him and see where he's going to?
Pratit ćemo ga. Uopšte nas ne skonta. Shh. He's so fucking slow, I can't drive this slowly. Zašto mu se tako dimi? Nije bio na servisu. Yes, I know, I'm stealthy guy. Stealth 100. Ajde brže, druže. Zašto je ovdje crvena trava? What the hell? Mislim da ide u Asgard. I swear to God, ako ne ubrzaš, ubiću te majke mi. Oću u kafanu. Ajmo u kafanu, evo ga, stranger. Why don't you get something to drink while we're talking? Barman, one margarita for me, please. And something for my friend over there. Ah, yes. I see what are we doing here. What the... You're... Look at you, you are drunk, my friend. Here is the key. The ultimate strategy. Sad možemo proći kroz tunel, ukrali smo ovu ključ. Napili ga s margaritom, what the hell. Taj je već bio pijan kad je tako sporo vozio. We are going to the friends.
Strange. The sky is different here. But it's no time to enjoy the view. I must find someone to ask questions. I'm looking for Axel. Don't you happen to know him by any chance?
Axel is the greatest leader of them all. He is leading us to the victory and the prosperity.
I heard a lot about your leader, and I really want to shake hands with him.
No one can see him but a war hero. But you clearly do not qualify.
Šta ti znaš?
Try my luck anyway. If you cannot help me, I'll find someone who can.
Wait a minute. Who are you? How did you get the tunnel key?
Dobro se seti da me pita.
I'm a free man and travel wherever I want.
And I am protecting the people from spies like you.
Ajoj, lik ima Maksima. Oh, Jesus. Oh, fuck. Zaslepio me. Ne. Stop it with Maxim. Proče skinuo mi pola healtha s tim. We are now in the France, also known as Librium. Ali ovaj harmonikaš, druže moj. Aj, Hunter. Dobro je. Izvukao sam sve. Fuel! To je novi product. Idemo u trafostanicu. I'm leaving a fart trail. Save. 2001 fuel, druže. Mislim da možemo tu kupiti veći kamion. Belaz i Ural. Čim budemo imali para, to nam je sljedeća investicija. On već automatski ima 2 weapona. I haven't seen you before. Kuzolja izgleda. You came here to join mercenaries. Not really, I don't know much about your country. Go to those people there will tell you everything you need to know. CIT-om. My house was looted a couple of days ago. The housebreakers took something really valuable to me, a work of art. Ajde da ih nađemo. On je u Liberteu. Ojoj, sačvara. Druže, iskopo drvo. I like your architecture. It really speaks friends to me. Evo ga. Lik bounce. Ole leteo, druže. That was epic yeet. Oh no. Don't tell me. Please don't tell me. Dobre. I just want to enter the city, please. Don't do this to me. Was it you who stole the masterpiece? Yes, but I don't have it right now. Neko je ovog zeznuo koji je teo da ukrade. Sad ćemo naći mi tog. A on je tu negde između. Ima elefanta. Oh my god. Dobio sam elefanta. Christ. Prodat ćemo ga i kupiti na ovaj kamion taman. Jej. Nice. Možemo i neki upgrade. Pa su tu skupi upgrade. Ajde uzmem prednjicu. Možemo. Oh my god. 60. Aha. S ovim ćemo imati 2 weapona napred. Možemo zapravo da uzmemo. Ima 2 tier, 2 weapona napred. Jesus. To ću staviti sve vektore. 3 vektore. Nice. Look at this big truck. Druže moj. This Ural kinda sus. Troši gorivo, bog te maza oko tank. What the hell? Ko onaj bicikl iz 20-ih. Češ kakve blatobrane imamo. Joj, 2 Huntera, ne. Oh my god. Stop. I hate them so much. Together we have more chances of getting Axel, which isn't easy at all. Sad mogu da joinem odmah ovima u Liberteu ili mogu da istražim onu drugu zonu malo, a to ćemo prvo da uradimo. Odnosno, taj Axel je u Španiji, tako da otićemo sada u Španiju. Jer ako se pridružimo ovima, ovi u Španiji će me odmah hejtati. Na listu support major faction, znači tad možemo da biramo da li ćemo biti s ovima ili sa Crimson Dawnom. Samo što s obzirom da su nam oni spalili selo, ne vidim razlog da budemo sa njima, ali ali svejedno možemo kao da ispitamo. Jesus, ovaj kamion tako brz, ne mogu me nervisat. Oh my god, stop it. Ovaj put ne radim namjerno. Evo ga, The Crimson Dawn. Šta je ovo? Swing Fire, Missile Launcher. Imamo Escort Mission ovog do Toskane da odvedemo. Čovječe, ovo mi je bio prošli kamion. Pogledajte koliko je ovaj sad veći naspram ovo. O ne, Hunter. Nemoj mi gađati prijatelja, please. Dobro je. Još jedan. Oh my god. Dobro, he's done. Can you drive any slower? Do ovdje mu je trebao escort, brate. Easy 2000. Ajde idemo u Librium i da se rekrutujemo za CIT, mislim da se zovu. Odlično, tu smo. Čiko. Recruiter Hank. Odlično. Go patrol the border, make sure no one scouts cross. Evo nam treba cruiser. Sad ćemo ga... nem para. Ja, jako mi malo fale. Sad smo literally pogranično. Oh, okay. We are going to war, boys. Oh my god, ruški. Možda sam ja raider, also. Sa Maximom. Oh my god, please kill him.
You did a good job. Return to base. A new assignment is waiting.
Surprise, motherfucker!
Are you kidding me? Lik je bio sa elefantom i insta-killovo me. What? What kind of bull crap pupu is that? Are you kidding me? Nisam ni trepnuo. That was kinda stupid. Ovi su imali Maxima i elefanta i sve živo. What the hell se tu desilo? That was indeed holy macaroni. He did the job for me and I got the loot. Taman mislim da ćemo sad moći kamion da upgrade. Treba će nam onda tier 3 weapon. Oh, hell yeah, look at this money. Look at this money. Look. Tu tier 2 ide i tu ide tier 3 weapon. Imaju samo hammer, ali preskup je. Mogu turbo da kupim. Thank god. I možemo uzeti... Ajmo accuracy. 100% accuracy vulka. Escort the caravan that delivers food. Dobra. Aha, ovdje idemo. You lead the way, you tiny tamić. I'm now a fucking SKANIJA.
The goods from this caravan will help the village to hold on for several days more.
Aha, idemo dalje. Kakvi su ovo pute? Oh my god. Oh god. Prvo ovog malog smrada dobijemo. Ima sačmu. Ne za glavice sad. Kaš se uvijek za linku nekog kad ima sačmu? Oh my god. Prvo turbo da stignemo ovo. I'm here.
I can feel my actions help these poor people.
I will protect you, Tamić, with my life. We need to deliver the food. Gdje idemo sad? Što je lik stao ovdje? Šta se ovdje dešava? Zašto je tamo lik? Sorry. Zašto moram sad ići kod tunela? Okej. Gore ću da kupim ili Canon ili nešto tako. Rain metal. Stavit ću rain metal. Ovo je najjače oružje. Kad se ovome doda fire raid, ovaj lik postane fucking OP. On je u suštini mnogo bolji vektor. Samo što problem kod rain metala je što... It's fucking too loud. Imamo turbo koja budala zaboravila. Mi ne moramo da dopunjujemo taj turbo.
I will cleanse this land of bandits.
Oh my god. 2 elefanta. Are you kidding me? I'm dead. Please kill him. Gdje je drugi? Dobro je. Oh my god, ovaj rain metal je fucking insane. Ja za ništa ne krem, ali...
Now the tunnel will be used by all 3 people. Not only Axel's henchmen.
Our leaders want to entrust you with a top secret mission. Go straight to Helvetia.
Helvetia. Where the fuck is that? Ali me radi ova muzika. It's a sad bandera. Puko im drot. Jeste vruće, danas 38 stepeni. Da li mogu ako se sa turbom zaletim? Okay. Čovječe, ovo ogroman grad, Helvetia. It's time to give you a truly challenging task. Meet their contact at Toskana bar. The password is night is long and reply is but the dawn is near. What the fuck se desilo? Ubagovala igra i damage-ovala me skroz. What? Oh my god. Neću ulaziti nikad više u ovaj grad, it's ubagovan. Mislim da je ovdje Eiffelov toranj. Yes, you heard me right. There is a Colosseum and Eiffelov toranj. Ok, znamo gdje je to, a tu ćemo doći, kažem, kasnije. I know. I remember, but I will not spoil it to you. Oh god. Ošišala me raketa. That was unpleasant sound. Oh god, ajde, vozi. Ne, ova ima sačmaru, ajoj. Pao sam u jamu. Brate, kad su mi već tako skinuli health?
Your ass, Brad.
Joj, sam se usro. Uvijek me insta-killovao sa Canonom. Oh, kad sam snimio. Joj, dobro, nisam daleko bio. Sreće pa snimim kad izađem iz svakog grada. Sad je jako scary zato što actually imaju weapons kao i ja, jake, i samo dođu izeznute. Let's go to Spain without this. Sad je problem, pošto smo mi openly deklarovali war Crimson Dawnu, sada svi ovi gradovi će nas pucati. Crvena je Marecija, ne se moramo paziti Mareciju. Samo s vektorom mogu da gađam, are you serious? Nisam trebao da dođem ovdje ovako blizu. Fuck, begam, there is no time. Joj, koliko ih ima, please stop. Are you kidding me? I'm dead, I'm dead, I'm dead, I'm dead, I'm dead, I'm not dead, thankfully. I have literally no help. I don't think I know you. The night is long, but the dawn is near. Hello, comrade. I came to discuss our plans. Thank God you arrived. Here in 5 minutes and he will answer your questions. Good luck. I got to take you to Helvetia. Helvetia je skroz na drugom delu sveta. Ajde prvo tu da sratim da se popravim. Gde sam sad ušao? Šta ja radim? Oh God, I'm dumb. I'm stuck. Oh, what the... I thought he was a Jesus for a second. Kako me ovaj kamen uvijek bambuzleo, mislim da je onaj mali traktorčić. Koliko tu puteva ima, nisam odavde ni išao, nemam pojma gdje ovo vodi. But it leads somewhere, it leads to nowhere. What the hell? 2 Urala, aj oj. Ne, u drvo, jedno jedino drvo ovdje. Ubit će me, Licky Marine man, I'm dead, I'm dead, goodbye cruel world. Nisam ni snimio, Jesus fucking Christ. Možda ovaj put ako se ne popravi, možda će imati para da... What the hell se desilo? Sam se ga pipnuo, lik mi deklarovao war. Šta? Oh my god, tako malo mi fali. Znači, tek se razmišljam da uzmem da prodam ovaj vulkan ili nešto do ova dva. Znači, šta će mi to work? To ćemo skinuti, kupit ćemo Cyclops. Oh, konačno smo stigli. Sad će mi reći, go back to Španija and I'm going to get mad. I'm waiting in ambush. Dobro, naravno ovo me je damage-ovalo. Gde sad moram ići, šta je ovo? Moram neku poljanu ići, tamo je neki general.
Preporučujem da uzmete kiklopa, jer ćete uništavati neprijatelje sa jednim desnim klikom miša.
Ovaj kiklop kinda sus.
We will get rid of the guards, and you hunt down the general. He's in a personal vehicle. You'll easily recognize him.
To je general. Šta je ovo? Maxim.
General is in our hands.
Opet moram ići u Helvetiju, oh for God's sake. You brought us luck for another general who has stole us the way to get to Axel, podzemni grad. Idemo sad ponovo u Španiju, jej. Mi udimo, cijeli dan i noć. Ovdje ima opet ovaj crop circle. Oh yes, it's my favorite city, Saraevo. Došao sam na ćevape u Sarajevo. Ovo ćemo prodat, stavit ćemo ovdje rain metal, ovo ćemo tu staviti. Sarajevo ima ulja, demons, evo ga opet crop circle, cloister, tamo isto nismo bili. Ajde vidimo šta muči stanovnike Sarajeva. Oh god.
Well, that's quite a phenomenon. I think the Midgard scientists will be interested in it.
Došli Vanzemaljci i napisali hi. It's so funny. Svo vreme smo prošli pored ovoga, a ovo je u stvari grad. Verovali ili ne? Yes. Behind the stain. Evo ga, Axel. Well, I can finally look you in the eye. The truth is that I came here to take your life. Fight like a man. I accept the challenge. Bro. Ceo grad sakriven iza stene. Idemo tamo u cloister. Tamo trebamo paket da ostavimo. I think that's supposed to be Alhambra.
Package delivered.
Konačno da ubijemo tog smrada Axela. We came here all along just for revenge. Oh my god, lik ima hammer. To nešto može da nas insta-killuje. Oh god. Where is he? Beži, 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 beži. I think we're going... Oh ne. Nisam ga očekivao da je tako blizu. Vodio me sa hammerom. I think he's dead. Oh.
Finally, that moment has come.
Why you in such a rage? What have you got against me? You're not even native to these lands.
Do you remember when you sent the mercenaries to make the raid to fight the people of Ukraine? They burnt down my home village and killed my father.
Do you always believe everything they say? Who sold you this rubbish?
She who has seen it all with her own eyes.
A girl it was. A beauty on a fast car. Dangerous liaisons all over the world, wasn't she?
Yes, she pretty much matches your description.
Alice. I know her well. She has already spoiled my life. and that of many other people with her lives. Welcome to the club.
Plot twist, Alisa nas zeznula.
Came to me and begged for protection against the enemies, or so she said. I welcomed her, as a gentleman should, but she robbed me and ran away.
What about my village?
Believe me, I have enough troubles in my country. For months now, we do not leave positions. We never attacked your home.
Seem to be telling the truth. But being innocent of one crime doesn't excuse your other atrocities.
I saved my people from the famine. Only the strong power will save the world from degradation.
Your reign is over. Go away and never return.
Yes, we brought peace.
Alisa, you bastard.
40% ga, ne. Sad će ovi da postanu insane rain metale. Has Lisa been here? Yes, my lord. She left me with her and she was heading to Helvetia, as far as I know. Naravno, gde bi išlo nek tamo najdalje mesto moguće. Ako nisam u ovoj epizodi otišao jedno 10 puta u Helvetiju, na drugi kraj sveta, onda ne znam šta sam radio. O, da vidim sad kako brzo pucaju. Oh my god. Sad smo literally OP. Evo je. Alisa, you're dead.
Alice, gotcha! Now you'll pay me for everything you've done.
Well, I guess I've taught you a lesson, boy.
O Bog, tu zašto ima više helpa nego ja?
Wait, I'll tell you everything.
Sad ćemo vidjeti.
If you betray me one more time, I swear I will kill you. Who killed my father? Answer me!
There were strange people on sand-covered vehicles. I saw them going east.
The desert of death? I should have guessed earlier. Liar! First you sent me to the west, then to the east. Where next? Right to hell? No, there will be no next time.
Don't shoot. I'm telling the truth. Listen to me first.
Ne znam ja.
All my life, I am looking for an answer to one question. Do you remember there is a famous explorer, Ivan Go? He made many wonderful inventions and made our life better. And suddenly, he mysteriously disappeared. Many a man tried to get on his trail, but it is me who will find him. I must prove that... Never mind. Ivan had a family, a wife and a son, but they died not long before his disappearance. I spent years in quest for clues. Some time ago, I got to know the description of his childhood friend. He was last seen somewhere in Pride. I didn't even know his name, so I went to South, and there...
You met me. And you made me show you the villages, so you could find a man matching the description.
Yes, and I finally found him. But it was too late.
To dispose of the last witness, they wiped out my native village with all its inhabitants. Monsters. Probably Ivan discovered something very important, and now someone is trying to keep it secret.
Ivan may even still be alive and imprisoned by these murderers.
I must find out who are behind it all.
We must. This is my quest. Moreover, I have a clue. I was the first one to search the burnt village, and I found a disc near the dead witness. I asked here and there and found out that the disc is a kind of book, but I'm afraid the only way to read it is to ask the help of the Oracle.
Yeah. The Oracle.
The Oracle sounds impressive. Maybe he also knows the way to cross the desert of the death, so I could follow the murderers. If you're telling the truth.
Treba sada da odemo tamo gde smo bili, kod Axel-ovog tornja, ali to ćemo da uradimo u sljedećoj epizodi.